Nothing is working out in my life right now. I feel stuck here. Everything is such a mess right now. What should I do?
Guys, what's up? It's your boy Vishal, and I know sometimes life feels nothing is working out. You feel so stuck in your life right now, and life feels as if it is suffocating you, it is choking you, and you don't find a way out. But don't worry, guys, these things come in everyone's life, and this video today I'll discuss with you what are the best ways in which you can create momentum in your life and make your life work out and get out of this situation in which you are stuck into. So without the further ado, let's do this.
So guys, the first point is which part of your life you are stuck in right now. So guys, now you must be thinking like your whole life feels stuck. So what is this which part? See, actually what happens is generally it's only like we have various parts of our life. Like we have relationship, we have our business, we have our college, we have our friendships, we have a relationship with our family, with our parents, and generally there's only one aspect of our life which is actually troubling us, and due to which our whole life feels stuck. Our whole life feels as if nothing is working out, because in our head we are continuously, as a background process, we are thinking of what is the one part that is not working out. So first of all, the first step is recognize which part is not working out for you. For example, like in my life, I feel sometimes stuck as I want to grow my channel, I want to reach more people, I want to help more people. What I feel when I feel stuck in my life is when my channel doesn't grow the way I want it to, the speed at which I want. That's why it's like one phase of my life. This is not my entire life. Doing YouTube is not my entire life. But because of this, sometimes I feel stuck in my life. Sometimes I feel life is choking me. And when I recognize that it's because of this factor, I'm feeling bad, I can actually do something about it. So the first step you need to take is first recognize which sector of your life is not working out, and then you can actually do something about it. So guys, let's get ready and let's head to the college.
Like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
So guys, the second point is list down the measures that you can take. Guys, this heat in Delhi is killing. So yeah, as I said, list down the measures that you can take. See, when you have, at the first point, when you have recognized what is the problem factor which is making you stuck in life, then as you have recognized that, now you need to list down the measures that you can take to bring about a change in that part. Like suppose there is a problem in your relationship, things that you can do regarding the relationship is that you can tell your partner about how you feel and what you feel that is not going the right way or thing that is troubling you. Second thing you can do is you can cut off a bit from that relationship so that to make that your partner realize that there is something wrong and they themselves ask you what to do. Or the third thing you can do, As a last resort, what you can do is you can break up. These are 3 things that you can do regarding the relationship and to bring about a change in that. So when you have a list of things that you can do, you have a clarity and a picture in mind that okay, these are steps that I can take, and then you can take actions on those steps. Guys, the third point is build up a momentum. So guys, you must have heard that the force required to bring a body in motion is much more than the force required to keep the body in motion. What I mean is that this thing applies same to your life. When you are stuck in your life and your life is at a certain state, it requires lot of actions to move you out of that state. So it's not that as you have made the list of what you can do, as I said in the second point, you have made the list of what you can do. What you have to do is take aggressive actions. Be very aggressive in what you are doing. Continuously keep taking actions towards this part of your life where you are stuck in. Don't take it as an off and on thing that one day you do something about it, the other day is you just chill out, and someday you think of okay, now I can do it. Don't do it. Don't approach this thing in that way. You have to be very regular and give everything you have got to bring about this change, and that will start to create a momentum in that. And when you have the momentum, your life will start to move and change. That will bring a big change. Slowly the wheel will turn slowly, but when it starts to turn, it will keep moving and moving and moving. So guys, be aggressive in your actions.
Your grip might slip too soon, but I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat lead me straight to you.
Egg biryani. This is the only food I love in my college. Seriously. So guys, the fourth point is be ready for a big change. As I said in my third point, as you're going to take massive actions, aggressive actions towards the problems that you are facing in your life, you are going to get big change in your life. Actually, it's generally the change that we fear the most. Fear of something new, something unexplored zone that we are going to enter, that we fear. So when you are going to take aggressive action there, your life is going, that wheel that is I talked about in the previous point, that wheel is going to turn off your life. There will be change in your life, but the thing is you got to embrace that change and accept that your life is becoming better. You would have to let go of some people, you would have let go of some habits, you have to let go of some things that you like for a better life, for a better you, for a better future for you. I hope that makes sense. So guys, this is all for the video. These are the 4 points that will help you shift your life and take it to the next level. Guys, subscribe to my channel. I make videos like this every Saturday. Like the video and hit the notification bell so that you never miss out on these cool videos. Till then, it's Vishal signing off, a guide to rich life.